So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to copy invitation link in Visual Studio Code. So guys, if you want to share your work with someone and if you want to do the group work, so guys you need to a shareable link. Okay, that we have the various options that we can also join someone's session, and if you want to create your own sessions and your own work space, so guys it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you go for the extensions. In the extension guys, here you there is a one option is live server, so sorry, live share. So first you search the live share, then click here and there is a live share extension by Microsoft. So you install it. After installing, guys, here you go for the file, and guys, here there is a one option is live share. So you just click it, and guys, it asks you to some login credentials. So you just put all of them. So if you want to log in with the GitHub, so you also use the GitHub. After the few seconds, guys, here it give you a session detail where it show the participant, invite, share terminal, and servers, and command session and checks. And you want to copy the link, so you just click here, and guys, here you see invite link copied to the clipboard. Now if I want to paste somewhere, so you just control V, and this is your live share uh, Visual Studio link. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.